Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make custom stickers on WhatsApp. So if you also want to make custom stickers on WhatsApp, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open WhatsApp application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here WhatsApp application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the chats interface. You'll be able to see all of your chats over here. Simply tap on the chat in which you want to send the sticker. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find the message bar. In the left corner of the message bar, you'll be able to find the icon for sticker. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find several icons over here. You'll be able to find the icon for emoticon, GIF, avatar and sticker. Make sure sticker is selected. The icon for sticker is at last. Once you select it, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the stickers over here. You can also create your own sticker. In order to create your custom sticker, what you have to do is tap on the create icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can quickly click a photo and create a sticker for yourself, or you can also select from the gallery. Simply tap on the photo that you want to use to create the sticker. Now after that, wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here the sticker will be generated. You'll be able to add the additional stickers. Also, you'll be able to add the text. Also, you'll be able to draw. Like this, you'll be able to create the sticker. If you want to send, simply hit the send button that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you can see over here the sticker will be sent. The created sticker will be displayed in the sticker section. You can use it again and again. Like this, you'll be able to make the custom sticker. So that is how you make custom sticker on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.